Hey folks, Mr. Tully. Another little rifle project. Picked up a Rock Island 22. Rock Island Armory. Same place made my one of my 45s. One of my 1911s. So, there it is. Flyby. Pretty slick little gun. It's, gosh, just got a short little barrel on it. It is a youth model, so I may have to put an extra butt pad on here or something. I don't know. It's kind of fun just creeping up on her a little bit. I don't do well with open sights, so I'm going to have to use a scope, but it's grooved for the regular 3/8 22 caliber scope rings. Simple bolt action, 10-round magazine. It's kind of nice. The barrel has a thread protector on it that comes with it, and it is threaded 1/2 inch by 28 if I remember correctly. Hooded front sight. You know, this has a lot of the qualities of some of the nicer bolt action rifles that I've seen. So we're gonna have to see how she does. I'm kind of excited. We'll be getting this to the range too this summer, and just shooting it and having some fun. The butt plate is plastic, nothing fancy. Matter of fact, the mag catch is plastic as well, which kind of bothers me, but you know what? It is what it is, and I'm sure it's not going to be too big a deal. We'll see. If it is, I guess I'll have to make a metal one. No big deal. Made in the Philippines. Not much else to say about it. 22. The magazine is stamped. It says, I don't know if you can say it, use high velocity 22 long rifle only. I'm not accustomed to using high velocity ammo, so we'll see. I'm kind of used to the standard velocity stuff. Not that there's a lot of difference in it, but a little bit. Anyway, that's your first little peekaboo. I'm going to get the scope mounted on here. I don't think you need to see that after the Savage project that we just finished up a little while back. I do have some Redfield rings that are made for the receiver, and this is, I think this is a True Glow scope. It is a very cheap scope. It's very clear. I'm really surprised at how clear the glass is on it. The eye relief is you're kind of tight on it. I had it on my Rossi Wizard, didn't like it on that one. Not that it was off or anything, I just didn't like it on that rifle. So I'm going to put it on this one. Stay tuned, we'll show you what it looks like with the scope on it. Alrighty, scope is on. On the rear sight there, I had to take the elevator out of it, and that tick clearance is still really tight under the scope there, but they're not hitting, so everything should be good. I can shoulder it and look through it, and I can tell either I'm crooked or the scope's a little crooked, but you got to get up on this thing. It's only got a couple inches of eye relief, so it's not really a scope that's fit for a heavier caliber. Should work good on a 22 though. So we'll see how she does this when it snow's gone and we can get out to the range. Hopefully scope covers will still go on. Oh yeah. And there we go. We'll put the magazine back in it. Put the bolt back in it. The bolt's an easy affair too. You just, with the safety off, pull the trigger and the bolt will come right out. Same for putting it back in. And there we go. So, that's the Rock Island Armory bolt action 22. Put her up here on the rack, and she'll make it to the range next time we go. Stay safe and God bless. We'll catch you in the next video.